Posting in Wix blog. In this video, you are going to learn how to post in Wix blog. So let's get started. First, go to Wixbox editor in your browser and you will see a dashboard like this. From the dashboard of the left corner, you will see this option that says Pages and Menu, as you can see here in green color. Tap on this option and you will see this menu. From here, click on the option that says Add. Now on Add, you can tap on the option that says New Page. Now the blog will be added to your site Pages and Menu option. Here you have to wait for the Wix blog preparation. After preparation, you will see that the blog is here. From here, you can also open its setting, and from settings you can post a blog that is visible to everyone. You can add password and you can only make it visible to the members. So that's how you can easily post in Wix blog. That's all.